So in this video we're going to show you how to install a 36 fibre cable into a 4-way gland. To do this you're going to need everything that you see on the screen. You're going to need a tape measure, you're going to need some 36 fibre strippers. We have two different strippers depending on what cable that might be in the network. This one here is for Prysmian cable and this one here is for OFS cable. You need cutters for exposing the strength member. You need a gold pen to mark your measurements, and then you have everything included in the port kit and the instructions that come with it. So the first step is to partially assemble this kit. To do this, you have your main body here, you have your gland here. That simply is inserted like that. Depending on the size of the cable, depends on how many spaces you need. A larger cable requires more spaces. As this is a 7mm cable, we're going to need both spaces. Slide that onto the end like this. And we also fit this top piece on the top. And also the rear nut. We'll tighten that up just to hold it in place. Okay. Okay, so the next step is to remove a port blank. To do this, push the two tabs together and pull from underneath. You may need to rotate this blank in the port just to get better access to these two tabs. Now we need to fit our partially assembled port kit onto our 36 fibre cable. Into one of the holes. Come up through the top piece. And then slide the port kit out of the way. We now need to measure 2.2 meters on our 36 fibre cable. This is how much is going to be stripped. We also need to measure 150mm from this point, which is where our strength members are going to be cut back to. These 2 points right here. And now we strip the cable. And we also need to snip off the water swellable tape. Okay, now we need to strip our steel strength members. To do this, cut into the black sheath, not all the way, to snip the strength member. Do that on both sides. Pinch it, give it a bit of a twist. Once it's through to the strength member, you can simply just pull it off like that. Do that in sections and that'll make it easier to strip. As we only need one set of steel strength members, we can snip off the other side. We now need to apply grease to the top part of this cable. And then we slide the port kit up to that position. We then fill in the other holes with our blanks here. And then tighten up this rear nut. That'll hold the cable in position. Now we need to anchor this strength member. To do this, twist the steel strength member around its holder twice. We then hold that in its fixed position using our locking device here. We then cut off the excess . And for safety, we're going to tape it up as well. Now we're going to fit this into the base. So leading with the elements, insert them through the bottom, pull all the way through, and then insert the connector and push and twist until you hear a click. That means it's fully inserted and locked to position, and that is how you install a 36 fibre cable.